House Speaker Nancy Pelosi attacked the Supreme Court's landmark ruling overturning Roe v. Wade. "It's all on the ballot in November," Pelosi said. She also pointed to the fact that the court affirmed a constitutional right to carry a concealed weapon, but on Friday did not recognize that right for a woman to have an abortion. "The hypocrisy is raging, but the harm is endless," she told reporters. Other congressional leaders also weighed in. Senate Majority Leader Chuck Schumer, DNY, said that the ruling called Friday one of the darkest days our country has ever seen. "Millions upon millions of American women are having their rights taken from them by 5 unelected justices on the extremist MAGA court." Related story. Barack Obama calls Supreme Court abortion decision an attack on essential freedoms of millions of Americans. On the opposite side, Senate Minority Leader Mitch McConnell, RKY, who has been integral to confirmation of a conservative majority on the court, said, "Now the American people get their voice back. The court has corrected a terrible legal and moral error, like when Brown v. Board overruled Plessy v. Ferguson. The justices applied the Constitution. They carefully weighed the complex factors regarding precedent. The court overturned mistaken rulings that even liberals have long admitted were incoherent, restoring the separation of powers." When he was Majority Leader in 2016, McConnell refused to give a hearing to President Barack Obama's nominee to the court, Merrick Garland, on the argument that such a nomination should not be considered in an election year. But 4 years later, McConnell rushed through the nomination of Amy Coney Barrett just weeks before the election. In her press conference, Pelosi spoke of the impact that the decision would have on the midterms, as Democrats face an uphill battle holding onto their congressional majorities. "This is deadly serious, but we are not going to let this pass," she said. "A woman's right to choose reproductive freedom is on the ballot in November. We cannot allow them to take charge so that they can institute their goal, which is to criminalize reproductive freedom." More to come.